Meaning of Grand Opera.
Grand Opera.
Grand Opera.
Grand Opera.
Grand Opera. Grand opera refers to a style of large-scale, dramatic musical theater that originated in Europe in the 19th century. It typically features a complex plot involving historical or mythological characters and is sung throughout with little spoken dialogue. Grand opera productions often include elaborate sets, costumes, and lighting designs to create a visually stunning spectacle. The music is typically composed for a full symphony orchestra and is sung by classically trained opera singers. Overall, grand opera is a powerful and emotive form of theatrical entertainment that showcases the very heights of human creativity and expression.